Hey, it's Lana, and this is Taylor. It's Taylor. And yeah. Just want to show you Taylor. Haha. That's Taylor. Yep. Yep. See how it's all dark in here? And all of a sudden, it's like, lights up in here.
Our videos just gonna be like random crap.
Earlier, this flame was a lot taller. It was like that tall, literally, and now it's only like that tall. Which is why we should have used the other video. Oh, get taller, and then it's dark. Ah, that's hot. That's hot. Woody, my cat. Look at that hallway. It's scary. No, it's back there. See it? It's scary. It is dark. Oh wow, the top is going to the lighter. That's great. Well, bye-bye.
It was like that all the... Hello.
Bye-bye. Wait. I can do this.
I can cut my nose open. Oh, hold on. World's largest nostrils. I can fit a diamond in it. Meow! Meow! Oh, that freaking hurts my nose. Meow!
Meow.
Meow! Oh god, our smiles look weird now since there's tape is like pushing down our lip. Meow!
Muscle. Better.
Oh. Oh, baby boy.
That's Woody.
It's Woody, baby.
Go Team on.
Oh, I'm a Mexican mom.
Buenos dias, amigos. Come back.
We're back.
Pronto. Pronto.
And the sky's getting green.
Well, party time. How do you say goodbye in Spanish?
Adios.
Hasta luego.
It's adios.
Hasta luego, amigos. Peace. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Go Team On says bye.
Mexican mom says bye.
Bye-bye.